The Mix project was a research project that explored the possibilities of using augmented reality within TechnipFMC. The result is a strategy and design concept that streamlines and quality assures the internal production lines by uncovering and solving both known and unknown user needs, while still taking advantage of the innovative potential of AR technology.
I liked the process because it was a rapid process, and I think everyone liked to work that way.
The way that we can speed up the way we do things with actually less information but more correct information, just by the way that it is presented in the holograms through the goggles, was kind of mind-blowing actually. And some of the numbers that we got out of it when it comes to how we improved the process, they're so good it's actually sometimes I don't want to tell it because it's almost too good to be true.